Hey people, it's me again. So, anyways, I'm at the lookout point to see the fireworks, and as you can tell in the background, there's already some people showing up just to see it. Just a small bunch of people. But I could recall there was the first 4th of July that we moved here in '85. I think when I was like about 4. And then there's like the houses that are like near where the house is. They weren't really finished built yet, and then we were able to watch like the fireworks with a clear, unobstructed view. And then now it's like we don't really have a real clear view of the fireworks except this spot. Oh, there was another spot on another street where all these where it's all a blank space because the land was not stable enough to hold the houses. But it wasn't until about a couple of years later that they built the houses. I think I might have shown you guys as far as that goes with those houses, on one of the other video blogs I had done in the past, So, anyways, I'm just going to be still waiting for the whole fireworks to show. I figure I'm going to have to do it in a regular video just to save on the whole space on the card, and as well as saving the whole battery life for that matter, because sometimes when I shoot things in HD, it drains the battery on the phone. And it's a real bitch to actually sync it to the computer. So, anyways, see you guys next time. Oh well.
Down in David's house. Where were they going? Down at David's house in Acadia. He had bought these big old blocks and put on top of the concrete.
As you can tell, firework worship.
That was really got a lot of stuff inside. I go, what'd you pay for that box? He goes, $75. But 6 of them. Blew them up and you can't have no fireworks. They didn't be able to trace it back to the house. They never came back.
I wonder if I got on the right time. Oh. I missed the show time. So, anyways, people, the fireworks are beginning again. So, one show is already about to begin. And this show over here is supposed to begin around 9 o'clock. So where I'm at, we get to see several shows at once from all these different cities. Here I was thinking of becoming a partner on YouTube, but still I had issues with my account, with my old one. Last year has been gone by false flags. And then losing the unlimited video link on my backup channel. So I don't know what I want to do. I really wanted to show the entire fireworks show if it was a half an hour long. But now I can't. I had to cut it off in 2 parts because I lost the unlimited link video. So the most I could actually show you guys is probably 15 minutes But if this goes well, I could get more views on my main channel, especially if there are so many people that view my videos as far as all the YouTube poop stuff that I had done last year.
Or Dana Point.
Especially the one with the messed up Cookie Monster one got over 9,000 views. But it all depends if the battery can hold out.
Everything's illuminated. 4,000 G's. Take that. There's so many G's on the road.
It was just about 10,000 right now. Took me like an entire year. And then again, I got here just in time. Obviously.